Hello, and welcome to the Consumer Tech. Today we're diving into the best DJI drones of 2025. From cutting-edge camera quality to unmatched flight features, these are the top picks you need to see before buying. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget, all the links are in the description below so you can check out the latest prices and grab yours today. Let's get into it. Number 1. DJI Avata 2. Best FPV DJI drone. Introducing the DJI Avata 2, the ultimate flying companion that redefines aerial photography and videography. With a sleek, compact design that fits comfortably in your hands, this drone is ready to take your adventures to new heights. Imagine soaring through the skies, capturing breathtaking landscapes and dynamic action shots with stunning clarity. What sets the Avata 2 apart is its advanced stabilization technology, ensuring that every frame is smooth and professional-looking, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're navigating through tight spaces or gliding over vast expanses, this drone makes it easy to unleash your creativity. Equipped with an upgraded camera system, the Avata 2 boasts higher resolution and improved low-light performance, allowing you to shoot vibrant videos and sharp images no matter the time of day. Plus, with enhanced battery life, you can explore longer and capture more without the constant worry of running out of power. But it's not just about the hardware. The DJI Avata 2 comes packed with intelligent flight modes that make it accessible for everyone, from novice flyers to seasoned pros. With features like Follow Me mode, waypoint navigation, and gesture control, you can focus on your artistic vision while the drone does the heavy lifting. In a world where capturing the perfect moment is everything, the DJI Avata 2 stands out as a powerful ally. Whether you're an adventurer, a content creator, or simply someone who loves to document life from a unique perspective, this drone is set to elevate your storytelling. Number 2. DJI Air 3S. Best overall DJI drone. Introducing the DJI Air 3S, the drone that's set to redefine your aerial photography experience. If you've ever dreamed of capturing breathtaking landscapes from the sky or filming dynamic action sequences with stunning clarity, this incredible piece of technology is here to make those dreams a reality. With its sleek design and advanced capabilities, the Air 3S doesn't just fly, it soars. Equipped with a powerful camera featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Air 3S captures images at an impressive 20 megapixels and can shoot video in stunning 5.4K resolution. Imagine the crisp detail and vibrant colors that will bring your footage to life. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or a weekend adventurer, the Air 3S provides you with the tools to elevate your creativity to new heights. But that's not all. This drone is packed with smart features that make flying a breeze. With its obstacle sensing technology and advanced flight modes, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot while leaving the complexities of piloting behind. Plus, thanks to its extended battery life, you can spend more time in the sky and less time worrying about recharging. Lightweight, portable, and designed for ease of use, the DJI Air 3S is the ultimate companion for anyone looking to explore the world from above. Number 3. DJI Flip. Best entry-level DJI drone. The DJI Flip is not just another gadget, it's a game-changer designed to elevate your content creation to new heights. Picture this, a sleek, compact device that fits comfortably in your hand, yet boasts the power of professional-grade technology. With its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface, the Flip allows you to capture stunning footage effortlessly, whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a novice. Imagine whipping out your DJI Flip at a bustling street festival or a serene nature scene. With the push of a button, you can switch between modes, from mesmerizing slow-motion captures to vibrant time lapses that tell a story all their own. The advanced stabilization technology ensures that every shot is smooth and cinematic, leaving your audience captivated and wanting more. But what truly sets the DJI Flip apart is its ability to connect with your smartphone, enabling seamless editing and sharing on social media. With just a few taps, you can turn raw footage into polished masterpieces that grab attention and spark conversations. It's not just about capturing moments, it's about creating experiences that resonate. In a world overflowing with content, the DJI Flip empowers you to stand out. Its eye-catching design and cutting-edge features make it not only a tool, but a companion for your creative journey. Whether you're vlogging your adventures, documenting life's special moments, or experimenting with artistic shots, the DJI Flip is here to ensure that your unique perspective shines through. It's time to flip the script on content creation and let your imagination run wild. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, best drone for cinematic shooting. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro has landed, and it's nothing short of a game changer in the world of drones. Imagine soaring through the skies with a device that feels almost as intuitive as an extension of your own senses. With its sleek design and cutting-edge technology, the Mavic 3 Pro is here to capture breathtaking aerial shots that will leave you breathless. This drone is not just about looks, it's packed with features that set it apart from the competition. Equipped with a stunning dual camera system, including a 20-megapixel Hasselblad sensor, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers stunning clarity and color accuracy, making your photos and videos pop like never before. Whether you're shooting in broad daylight or at dusk, you can trust this drone to deliver exceptional quality every time. But wait, there's more! With its impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes, the Mavic 3 Pro allows you to explore the great outdoors without constantly worrying about battery life. And let's not forget its advanced obstacle avoidance systems, which make flying smoother and safer, even in tricky environments. The Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's your ticket to a new perspective on the world. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a weekend adventurer, this incredible piece of technology empowers you to capture life from above in stunning detail. Get ready to elevate your creativity and take your aerial photography to thrilling new heights. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro, best DJI drone for travel. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is not just another drone, it's a game changer that's ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Imagine soaring through the skies with a lightweight device that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it accessible for both seasoned pilots and beginners alike. With its sleek and compact design, the Mini 4 Pro fits snugly in your bag, allowing you to take it anywhere your adventures lead you. But don't let its small size fool you. This remarkable drone is packed with advanced capabilities that will leave you in awe. With stunning 4K video resolution and a powerful camera that captures crisp details and vibrant colors, your breathtaking landscapes and cherished moments will be immortalized like never before. What truly sets the Mini 4 Pro apart is its intelligent flight modes and obstacle avoidance technology, giving you the confidence to explore and capture stunning shots without worry. Whether you're flying high above majestic mountains or weaving through dense forests, this drone is designed to adapt, ensuring that every flight is smooth and exhilarating. Plus, the Mini 4 Pro boasts an impressive battery life, allowing for longer flights and more time to capture those perfect angles. With intuitive controls and seamless connectivity to the DJI Fly app, you can easily edit and share your footage with friends or on social media, making it simple to showcase your creativity and adventures.